Hi, I'm Swati. I'm from Ninopal. I am working as a senior HRBP and I have been associated with this organization for past 5 years. I have my colleague Lavi here.
Hi, this is Lavi. I'm working at Ninopal from last 4 years and I'm working as a senior talent acquisition associate over here. So Swati, it's been 5 years working at Ninopal. Can you help us understand what is your feeling about Ninopal? Can you summarize everything about your experience?
Sure. To be very honest, Ninopal has been a game changer for me. I have a toddler in my life, so flexible timing here, remote setup. So, having a toddler itself a hundred like full time job. At the same point of time, Ninopal has given me an opportunity where don't have to compromise, on my professional career as well. I can give 100% to my work at the same point of time, 100% to my personal life as well. So yeah, truly, I mean, here everything is very organic. I can take care of my career. I can take care of my personal life. So yeah, it's been really been a great journey for me so far. Yeah, over to you, Lavi. You tell me.
Well, definitely. These 4 years were very good for me. The growth curve was very good. Like I started as an intern, and then basically I picked up different things. And definitely I've got a lot of chances to learn new things, even lead the team sometimes. Whenever I recruit people, I generally see that people are looking towards getting hired in a company which is offering a work from home setup. So, definitely work from home setup is a great game changer for all the employees. They can manage their life, they can manage their work together.
To be honest, at Ninopal, everything is very organic. Like whenever there is a new skill in the market, everything is natural and organic. No one is going to, you will get an opportunity yourself where you can go get the certification or maybe get yourself upskilled with the new tools in the market. At the same point of time, you can also get an opportunity to enhance your existing skills.
Definitely,
So yeah, so
definitely.
that's very natural and organic at Ninopal, to be very honest.
Yeah, even when we are hiring a new fresher now, what we see that people are hired as a fresher, but after some point of time, they acquire different skill set. And definitely, you said the certification point, right?
Correct.
People are taking certifications; they are increasing their market value. So they are getting certified in AWS, Azure, GCP, and after completing 1 or 2 years over here, you can see that they are like really they're really growing good. They started from this and now they're this.
Correct,
So
correct.
this is something that is really good. Also, what are your thoughts on the leadership? Like,
Correct. I was about to say this that I think a major role that plays that play in the success of Ninopal is the leadership. That the leaders are always approachable. The transparency is always there. So it's not like that you have to wait or you have to think through a lot before getting in touch with the founders or maybe with the leaders at the company. So they are very approachable. They are always available, and whenever you have any doubt, they're always there to mentor you and to help you. So this
yeah.
also adds to a lot to the confidence and motivation every day.
So basically, it's not employee versus management. It's that everyone is working together to build something really good for future. Yeah.
Yes.
So that is something that I really like. That we really like about Nino Pal.
Also, to conclude, I think whomsoever is going to join the company or maybe have an opportunity where they are going to join us, they can come up with a free mind where it's not about the experience that you're bringing in, the skill set. At the same point of time, you will get ample number of opportunities irrespective of your age or maybe diversity that you're bringing in. You will have ample number of opportunities to grow here, to learn everything, to learn new things every day, and also at the same point of time grow with the company. So that is also there.
So if you're planning to shape your future in a better way, join Ninopal.